We'll guide you through how to use the calendar view in Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Trello board on your desktop. Once you're in, you'll want to enable the calendar power-up. To do this, click on the Power-Ups button located at the top of your board. In the Power-Ups directory, search for Calendar and click on Add next to the Calendar Power-Up. Now that the calendar is set up, you'll see a calendar button at the top of your board. Click on it to switch your view to the calendar. This will display all of your cards with due dates in a monthly calendar format. You can click on any date to see the cards due on that day. If you want to add a due date to a card, go back to your board view, click on a card, and then click on Due Date on the right side menu. Choose your date and time, and click Save. This will automatically add your card to the calendar view. You can drag and drop cards within the calendar to change their due dates quickly. If you want to see more details, click on a card in the calendar to open it. You can also switch to the weekly view if you need a more detailed look at your week by clicking the Week button at the top of the calendar. Remember, using the calendar view helps you keep track of deadlines and plan your tasks more effectively. Explore the settings to customize your calendar view to your preference, like color-coding your cards for better organization. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.